Hi, it's Patty here, and I'm cooking today in the Red Wolf kitchen, and we're cooking some holiday recipes, and now I'm preparing a really fantastic stuffing recipe. I'm starting with some rustic bread that I've torn into nice large pieces. This is a great job for kids to do in their spare time. And then I toasted them till they're nice and crunchy. This will give your stuffing a really good texture. You can use cornbread if you want to. Just make sure you toast the bread before you add your other ingredients. I've got some onion and celery that I sauteed in some butter, and I'm going to add a little bit of Italian herb seasoning and some chicken broth, or you could use vegetable broth if you want. So don't add all of your liquid. The amount that you need is sort of dependent on how dry your bread cubes are. So stir that in and let it sit a little bit, and it'll take a little bit of time for them to absorb the broth. And just keep adding broth a little at a time until your bread is kind of all coated with the broth, but it's not. You don't want it to be soggy. Okay, once all the broth has been absorbed and your bread cubes are nice and tender, you're going to put it in a baking dish and bake it until it's nice and golden brown on top. It's much safer to cook it outside the bird than to cook it inside the turkey, and you also might not be able to fit a whole turkey in resort oven. So this is a great way to do it. It's actually better for food safety reasons, and I think it tastes better. It gets nice and golden and crunchy on top. It's been such a great day here. Thank you so much to the folks at Red Wolf for letting me cook in their fantastic kitchen here. And I hope you guys try these really simple recipes that you can make in your kitchen, at home, or on vacation. And when you do travel, take some pictures and tag it.